All right, so let's get to the point real quick, right? You come all the way over here and you click on the three dots. After you click on the three dots, you go to create page. Then now it takes you here. Um, I honestly have no idea why I decided to do this. In the morning when everybody decides they want up on the road. I don't know why I did that. You can choose up to 3 tags on this, right? Yeah. So you have a maximum of 3 things related to whatever you want the page to be about, and then you can give it a um well, that's just, yeah. I really should have muted this video. I really should have, because boy, I mean, I tell you, I can't believe me for content with all of that. Like, that's just insane. I need to do these videos in the night when nobody not drive. All right, so this is just an idea of how to set up the page. I think what I'm going to do is actually try and create the page that I want to create. So I'm gonna do that. So let me change it to let's do that. Right, all of this is the same, right? Um, let's see, represents. Um, and there we go. So this is, yeah, perfect. Let's see. I don't think there's anything else, right? So I'm gonna click create page and see what happens. So let's see, where does it actually. Oh wow, that's it. That's it. Okay. So that so what that does is it allows you to create the page, and then from there you add the photos to finalize what the look of your page is going to be, right? So this gives you a preview, right? And I think when we put the pictures here, it will show us what it will look like before we actually jump on the page. Okay, so it's really that simple. I don't really think, the only thing I would probably do is look for a picture that I'd probably use. More than likely I'll probably go and use one of those, you know, those classroom pictures that I have, but I don't know where to find them right now. But yeah. So I just go I'll go look for the pictures and then stop this video here. So I'm going to continue part 2 after this. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around. Not sure what happened to my voice just now.